Hey there, herb enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of potted herb plants. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, this video is packed with tips to help your herb garden flourish. So grab your watering can and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right herbs. When it comes to potted herb plants, selecting the right varieties is key. Think about what herbs you love to cook with, or ones that have special significance to you. Basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint are popular choices that are relatively easy to grow. Once you've got your herbs picked out, it's time to choose the perfect spot for them to thrive. Most herbs love sunlight, so find a sunny spot near a window where they can soak up those rays. Now, let's talk about potting your herbs. Make sure to choose pots with good drainage to prevent waterlogged soil. Fill your pots with high-quality potting mix, leaving a little space at the top for watering. When it comes to watering your herbs, consistency is key. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause your herbs to wilt. Check the soil regularly and water when the top inch feels dry to the touch. Remember, different herbs have different water needs, so it's essential to do your research and adjust accordingly. Along with water, your herbs will also need nutrients to thrive. Fertilize your potted herbs every few weeks during the growing season with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Just be sure not to overdo it, as too much fertilizer can harm your plants. Pruning is another essential aspect of herb care. Regularly snipping off dead or yellowing leaves will encourage new growth and keep your herbs looking healthy and vibrant. Plus, you can use those clippings to add fresh flavor to your dishes. Unfortunately, pests can sometimes be a problem for potted herbs. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and spider mites, and take action at the first sign of infestation. There are plenty of natural remedies you can use to keep pests at bay, like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Lastly, don't forget to give your herbs a little TLC every now and then. Rotate the pots occasionally to ensure even growth and remove any weeds that pop up. With a little love and attention, your potted herb garden will be thriving in no time. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed our guide to maintaining potted herb plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!